Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking My Way with your girl Nifa. I know it's been a while. I do apologize. I'm sorry. As y'all can tell by that title, okay, we gonna be having some gumbo. Huh? What? We finna turn it up for the Thanksgiving and Christmas meals. We having gumbo, collard greens, and some good old-fashioned cornbread. So, without further ado, let's get started. So over here I have my ingredients. I have 2 of the andouille sausage. I got the Johnsonville because that's what I can find. I have garlic, white onion, and a yellow onion. I need 10 cups of chicken stock. I got some red and green bell pepper here. 1 cup of flour. 1 cup of vegetable oil. I have my smoked meat here. And over here, I got my seasonings, okay? So, I'll tell y'all the seasonings as I put the seasonings inside the meal as I go. Okay? Alright. So, I want to tell y'all, I got this recipe from I saw, oh God, I can't think of the name of the cooking show. His name is Smoking Something, I think. I'm gonna get y'all the name. I promise I'm gonna get y'all the name before this video ends. But I'm gonna go ahead and get my vegetables cut up. My celery and my onions. And my bell pepper, y'all. I forgot a bell pepper. I was not about to go back to the store again for the 3rd time today. So what I did was I had some fresh, what's this, bell pepper. Some frozen bell pepper and onion mix in the freezer. I just grabbed them suckers out of there and it's like, I'm just gonna pick out the bell pepper.
That's some strong onion, y'all. I know there's tricks to killing the onion, but I ain't got right now.
Yeah, like I said, I know it's tricks to cutting the onions up. Oh,
Jesus. It's like pepper spray, y'all.
So I put all the cut up, what is this? Vegetables in this bowl. I know, look, I put them all in one because I'm not going to be separating all that and it's going to all go together. No. Go ahead and cut this andouille sausage. Y'all know I never had andouille sausage, have you? Because this is my first time having it. What about you, Jason? Y'all didn't know, those of you who are new to our channel, if you've never seen any of our Cooking Our Way, my husband Jason is the cameraman. He's the cameraman. So, I don't know, is this enough sausage?
How much you want to put? As long as there's 3 of us.
It is just the 3 of us. Okay, y'all, so I'm starting with this 1 cup of oil. So I'm pouring that all in there. I gotta get it really, really hot. Okay? So I'll be back when it get hot to show y'all the other parts that needs to go in there. Shoot. So I'm putting in my 1 cup of flour. I kind of get it too fast, y'all. Let me slow down. Slow it down. Slow down, stove. I did it too fast. I'm supposed to put little by little. You smell it?
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm going to add my vegetables. I didn't add in my garlic yet. That's how you want it to be brown. So you're gonna cook your vegetables till they pretty much translucent. Or until they like real. I wonder if this a dang on skin. Put my garlic cloves in. I'm not gonna cook it till it's translucent. That's not what I meant, y'all. I'm just gonna cook. I had to turn that down. It was pretty loud, so just let this cook for a little bit. So, wait, let me get my fresh garlic. The fresh, what is it called? Fresh pepper.
Look,
Okay.
first it looks, it's so easy.
Oh boy. Fresh cracked black pepper.
No, this is my.
Sorry, gaming, y'all.
I got some Himalaya pink salt. I'm not gonna add a whole lot of that. I have Gumbo file. Never had this before, never tried it before.
I didn't catch because it's focused.
Oh, okay, hold on. Let me open it up. Okay. I'm finna see what it tastes like. Like nothing? Okay. We can go ahead and add some of that in there. A lot of people don't use accent. I do. Got me some Creole seasoning. Now, I'm not following all of the ingredients that they use. I'm using my own ingredients. Ain't nothing wrong with that. But I'm following the rule. You know, like some of the recipe I'm following. And some of it I changed it to mine. My way. Let's cook it my way. I got some smoked paprika. Smoked paprika. Hold on. It ain't smoked paprika. Most of y'all understand and get it. Not a whole lot of that. I'm gonna add in some sazon. My sazon. Did I add my chef Creole?
Mm-hmm.
I did? No, I did.
Yes, you did.
No, I did. I grabbed the paprika. I did put this. Oops. Alright.
Yeah, this is what I hate. This is the one.
Let's give it a stir. Let the ingredients marinate. Let them get acquainted with one another. Yes. Yeah.
I'm in second place. How?
I'm supposed to use 10 cups, y'all. $10 cups. That's 2.
That's 2 cups.
I can't beat that.
4.
Well,
This is 6. Okay. 2, 4, 6. Wow, I need another one, huh?
yeah.
That's 8. And if y'all don't have chicken stock, use water.
It's an option.
You bald-headed self. You bald-headed self. Yeah. Built like Dr.
I just put a little extra, y'all. 8, 10.
10.
That's 10 cups. Yep, that's the color it's gonna look like. I wish I had some fresh collard greens. That ain't my case right now. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this bag. Go ahead and add them in gradually. You have to push them down like so. It look like it's a lot. Look like the pot is like too full. Trust me. Those of you who cook collard greens know exactly what's going on. I did wash my hands, so have no fear. Push it down. Push it down. Oops.
What?
Just push it down. It's a lot of shredded greens. And I brought 2 bags. I might have to change pots, y'all. Oh man, I think I'm gonna have to change pots. So I'm putting this much meat in here because we are out of room, guys.
Yes or no?
We're just gonna sit in here. Y'all, we're gonna cook this for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. And we'll come back and check on it. It is currently around 4:23.
I just want to know too.
I'm about to go live. Go live.
A bay leaf, y'all. I'm gonna just use 2.
No, it's like you're playing tic-tac-toe with the strings.
2 bay leaves.
Forgot about my bay leaf. Just put 2 in there. Everything's gonna be alright. Ooh, wait.
Alright, I'm not.
Y'all, this gonna be good. Good. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna make me some cornbread jiffy mix. Jiffy cornbread mix, yes. Box. Sorry, box. I don't know how to make homemade cornbread, but this cornbread gonna be good. So I melted some butter here. I don't know how much it is. I got me 1 egg and some milk. Okay.
My dog is dumb AF.
Oh my God.
So I work at Pet every day. This one is trying me and stealing the merchandise. So I have to buy all this stuff every day because he already is cute.
All right, first time cracking an egg with one hand. All right, that's what I'm talking about. Put the cornbread in. Now we just wait. So I'm gonna always put a little bit of put a little bit more butter right on top, y'all, and let it kind of ooze on in there. I would put honey, but I'll pass on the honey this time.
Yeah, I don't want to have
Sometimes I
sticky.
put honey on it on top of the cornbread. I'm about to melt it so quick on here.
Fresh out the oven.
Oh, we're trying to eat, trying to cut this bad boy open. Let me put a little more. It don't want to come out. Better come off of here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up for y'all so we can go ahead and end this real quick. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna take it off. I get freaked out by some things. Alright, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified so you guys don't miss the next upload from us. This is Gumbo collard greens, first time ever trying it out. So if you see something that I missed, hey, it's cooking my way. See y'all in the next video. Bye.
Oh, I thought you were going to try it.
Oh. Let me get one of these andouille sausages. It's hot. Y'all, you see that smoke?
Yeah, I see that smoke. Yeah. Okay.